Good morning, I'm so excited to be making my Power Protein smoothie here with you this morning. The smoothie is very carefully and nutritionally formulated, high in fiber, high in protein, will keep you full and satisfied throughout the morning. And here we are about to make the quick smoothie. So 1 cup of ice into a high power blender. And then we're going to add half of a frozen banana. I normally keep frozen bananas in the freezer ready to go for my smoothies. Then we're going to use Zest protein, which is a protein I love. It is clean, it is a vegan protein, it's really easy to digest. So about 1 serving, which is actually 2 scoops of Zest. Always have my greens, because I am a nutritionist after all. So about a handful of greens. You won't even be able to taste the spinach. This is great to hide the greens in with your kids if they were refusing to eat any. And then a tablespoon of fiber of choice. So I use chia seeds most of the time. You could do psyllium husk or flaxseed instead. And then half a cup of berries. So you could do blueberries, raspberries, strawberries. Today I'll just do half a cup of blueberries. The smoothie is really low GI, really low in natural sugars, and really high in fiber and protein. So as I said, it's going to keep your blood sugar levels really stable throughout the morning. And then I'm going to sweeten with my 2 favorite sweeteners, which is a teaspoon of stevia powder and half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Really great for sugar cravings and blood sugar balance. And then finally, I'm going to add the almond milk. I normally do about half a cup of almond milk and half a cup of filtered water. Today I'll just do more almond milk. I love this almond milk. Pop the lid on and we're going to blend. So sometimes I add berries and sometimes I just do the banana. So you'll see that when you add berries it goes into like a purple light colour, but when I add just banana it will remain white, cream coloured smoothie. So that's as easy as it is. Pour it into a glass and you can top it with some chia seeds, some extra berries, and there you have a really wholesome and nutritious quick breakfast ready to go.